Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1 inch from its original LCD strip to our SB series LED strips. This kit comes with one LED strip, one driver and one wire adapters. This screen is actually made by NEC. The screen part number is NL12880BC20-05. It's a 12.1 inch wide screen. Okay, it's original equipped with the LED. So before we upgrade, I'll show you how to do it. I have a controller board here. I want to try to test it, see how the brightness level is for this one. And okay, and I also have an original NEC LED driver, which is 104PW03F here to connect to it, so then we can do a fair comparisons. Okay, so let's fire up my generators. I'm going to connect a VGA signal to this one. Okay, connect the 12 volt here. Alright, so you see it. Okay, let's test it, see what the nits is using the same meter that I use on other videos. So we just measure the center, 395.3, pretty good. 399.9, 395.9. Same thing, 395.5. So if you look at its original manufacturer data sheet, it say this one have a 400 nits, so it's pretty close. Besides, I want to show you this one. This one we put the plastic protective film on it, so if I move this one out, should be a little bit brighter. But again, you know, I don't want to make it dirty. So all right, so let's say about 400s. Now we're gonna disconnect this cable. Okay, to remove the strips, really easy. There's a small plastic clip. You see this? You take it out, push it. You see this? Then you can just slightly pull out. Okay, so install our LED kit is really simple. For this particular screen, do not remove this cover. Okay, just stick it in, just like this. This is how it come out. I want to show you. Stick it in. Yep, really good. And then you just secure the wire here. Let me get a wire. Get the tip. And you just secure the wire here in this end. Fairly simple. It won't go anywhere. So let's try again. See what the brightness level is. Again. Okay, now see, this is the original NEC driver, right? So basically you just disconnect this end, connect it here, it's done. So let's do it again. VGA signal, 12 volt supply, fire up. So I think you see the difference already. It's actually pretty bright. So let's measure it. Okay. (1,331 nits). (1,326 nits). (1,305 nits). So let's say 1,300 nits. Should be a little bit higher again, you know, because there's a plastic cover on it. So you see how simple it is. Less than 15 minutes, you can just upgrade the sunlight variable or if you couldn't find those parts, then you can use our SB series to repair this screens. Thank you for watching.